Come, welcome. Dok, ito daw mo pa. Kaya mo pa yan paliitin?
Tumaas na cheekbones, nag-V-shape na here.
And that's it for my first session for IV Density. This was my first time trying this machine. Ano ba feeling ko? Actually, it's very tolerable. I've been doing Ulthera and Thermage once a year for the longest time. And then they came up with this new machine. It's less painful pa siya. And hindi mo na kailangan ng EMLA. So it's gonna be super quick. It's gonna save you a lot of time. And yeah, that's what we did today. It felt like cold because of the cold tip. At the same time, it's gonna give me that extra lift and extra tightening that I need to end my 2024. I'll be seeing the result after a month for the best result. So I can't wait to see that. But for now, this is it. Ayan, pwede na ako pumunta sa dinner ko right after without any redness and all. So you guys have to try this. This is IV Clinic's newest machine. This is also available sa lahat ng branches nila. It's called IV Density. And I'll keep you guys posted on my next visit. Okay, see ya. We are done. Did you enjoy your IV there?
Yes.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.